Hey guys, today we'll be checking out 4 new apps. The first one is theChive. So this is a Windows Phone app for thechive.com, and I don't think this is the official app, but it works quite well. So in the main menu you've got the latest post that comes up, and you can check out the video and images from here. And sliding across you get the various sections. So you've got art, skills, photography, tech, and everything in there. And in settings you can enable push notification, which will give you a toast notification and a live tile that will flip and show you the latest story. And of course you can search for posts as well. So once you go into any one of the posts, you'll see that it'll bring up all the images in there. It'll show you there are 28 images in there. And there's the first one, and you can slide across and check out the other images as well. And you can share this, save it to your library and things like that, or open it in your IE browser. And you can also use these buttons here to navigate. And yep, so that is a quick look at theChive for Windows Phone. Next up, we're going to take a look at an application called Trackables. So this application allows you to track just about anything. And in the main option, you can add new items. So you just add the name of the item and pick a measurement. And if you want to set goals, you can set that as well. And you can have decimal units and things like that as well. For the graph, you have an option. You can choose which type of graph you want. And you can group entries together if you choose to do so. And once you have an entry, you can go into that and add items. So depending on whether it increases or decreases, you get this indicator here. So if you want to add something, and you can pick a date, and when you add that, you get it, the new entry goes in there. And when you pick up the visual, it brings out the graph. You can choose that for 7 days, 31 days, etc. And going into settings, you can edit it or sync the data with Dropbox. So as you can see, it allows you to track various items, and it's a free app that's available on the marketplace right now. Next up, we're going to take a look at an app called Image Downloader. So what this does is you can put in a website and it will download all the images from that particular website. And you've got like quite a bit of configuration options in there. So if you jump into settings, you can see that you can choose a minimum size. So any images below that will be just ignored. And you can choose any of the images or just the embedded ones. Choose the format and scan just the page or the pages that are linked to from that particular page that you're looking at. You got some advanced option here and some expert option, which is basically setting the browser user agent. And once you pick all that and you're happy with it, you can put in the website URL down here, and clicking on go will refresh the page. And once you load it up, if you want to save the attachment, you just go click on attachment. It will give you the description of what all you have selected, and if you're happy with that, you can go OK. And if you slide across to the download screen, you'll see that it will bring up all the images and will start downloading them. And you can stop at any time that you want using the stop button there. And once you do that, if you jump over to your image hub and go into your albums, your saved pictures, you'll see that all the images from there will be saved in here. And yeah, so that is a quick look at image download. And the last app that we have for you today is called Kleio, I guess it's pronounced. And so this app allows you to save and create flashcards, which you can use for studying new things. And it uses a Google account to sync your data. So when you first log into the app, you need to provide a Google account. And with that, you can jump onto the website, which is clear.info, and you can sync cards from there. So it's got some Mango features like pinning of various items to the start screen and fast resume, etc. And once you pick a certain deck of cards, it'll give you the various information in here, and you can progressively study all these and mark this as studied. And you can create new decks from the app as well and sync it to the website. And as you can see, there are various decks available on the website, and I'm not sure how accurate the information is, but those are user generated items, and you can always create your own as well. And yeah, that is a quick look at Kleio for Windows 4.